Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I hope you are enjoying to see my all videos and waiting for the next videos. Today we will learn 3 letters, 3 alphabets. But before starting the lesson, please make happy faces like this. Okay? Let's start our lesson. Today we will learn 3 letters. First letter is capital X, small x. X has 2 phonics. When something begins with letter X, X sound becomes Z sound. But when it becomes in the center or at the end of the word, its sound becomes X. Okay? It has 2 sounds, Z sound and sound. This is capital Y, ya, and this is small y. Its phonic is y, y. Capital Z, small z, and its phonic is z, z. Okay? First of all, we will learn only X friends. X friend, look at this. What is it? This is a musical instrument. Its name is xylophone. Its name is xylophone. Look, there is a girl. She is playing xylophone. The xylophone. The xylophone. Okay. I have next friend, which is X mass tree. X mass tree. And in X mass tree, the X sound becomes X mass tree. Okay. Next friend. What is this? It is X-ray. It is X-ray. Like, look at this. This is an X-ray. 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 Okay. Next friend. Look at this. This is fox. Fox. As I have told you, in the center of any word, X has sound. Okay, fox. Fox. Fox begins with letter F, but we found sound at the end of word fox. Like this, I have 2 boxes. What are these boxes? In the box, there is letter X at the end of the word box, and X sound is box. Okay? Now I will show something. Look at this. This is a glass of water, and I will put some strawberry syrup in the glass. And tell me what I'm doing now. I am mixing now. I am mixing. The word mixing has sound word. Sound. Okay? Mix. Mix. At the end of word mix, there is X sound. Okay? After X, we will learn about Y, Y sound friends. Okay. I have favorite things of children. What is this? Yo-yo. What is this? Yo-yo. 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 Do you like it? I know it's your favorite thing. Next friend. What is it? It is an egg. This is egg's white part and this is yellow part. and yellow part is called yolk. Yolk. Look, I have original egg, and this yellow part is called egg yolk. 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 Okay, I have one more thing of eatable. What is this? This is yogurt. 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 Okay. I have one more thing. Look at this. What is it? This is a yarn. 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 Okay. This is animal, and its name is yolk. Yolk. Yolk begins with phonic y. Yolk. Yolk. At the end of y sound letters, I have one more friend, which is yolk. 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 After y sound, we will learn about z sound words. What is this? Z, capital Z and small z, and its phonic is z. Z. Okay, look at this. What is it? Do you know? This one and this one also. This is zip. Zip. This is zip. Z. Zip. Z. Zip. Okay, after zip, I have one more interesting friend. Which number is this? This number is 0. This number is 0. Z. 0. Z. 0. I have one design or pattern, and these lines are called zigzag lines. Zigzag lines. Okay, and this is zigzag pattern. Z. Zigzag. Z. Zigzag. At the end, I have more interesting picture of a place which name is zoo. Which name is zoo. Do you have a visit of zoo? I know this is your favorite place of visit. This is zoo. Zoo. In zoo, there are many animals in which some are friendly, some are dangerous, but we found all of them in one place which is called zoo. Zoo. Okay friends, at the end of the video, lots of clap for you because you have learned with me all alphabets, 26 alphabets, and I hope you are enjoying to see all videos and learn more and more from these videos. Okay friends, at the end I have message for you that you have to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos to your friends, relatives and so many people. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel, click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. A, B, C.